Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to do a quick Sephora haul. I went to Sephora last week and picked up a bunch of stuff because I was going on a trip to Chicago, so I wanted to get a few things for that, and then also a few skincare things. So if you want to see everything I bought, then please keep watching. First, we'll start out with the reason that I went into Sephora, and that was to pick up some Hoola Henriksen product. So I recently ran out of all of my nighttime cleansers, and I really love like an oil-based cleanser at night to like help remove extra makeup and also just to like really like nourish my skin because I use a lot of heavy kind of like treatment products at night. So I don't need like a heavy treatment cleanser. I just need something gentle. So I picked up this one. This is the Hoola Henriksen Wonderfeel Double Cleanser, and it says it gently removes long wear and waterproof makeup and cleanses skin with olive and borage seed oils and blackcurrant extract. By the way, this smells just like blackcurrant. It comes in like a nice little squeezy tube. I really like it. It just smells heavenly though. It also comes with like a little cute muslin cloth that you can wipe it off with, which I haven't used yet, but I've been loving this. It's just a nice, easy cleanser for nighttime, but seriously, it smells so good. And the reason that I went in looking for Hoola Henriksen is because I follow like lots of different, beauty people online, but Jamie Genevieve and then also Gabby Cheyenne, if you follow her, she's like a fitness Instagrammer. They both like swear by Hoola Henriksen and use it. I think they're both sponsored, or at least I know Jamie is. I don't think Gabby is, but they both use a lot of Hoola Henriksen products, and they have like the most beautiful skin that I like see online. So I was like, whatever they're doing, I need to do it. But normally I have like really oily, acne-prone skin, so it doesn't work for me. But so far I'm liking this, and like I said, my cleanser at night I find isn't really the biggest make or break because I use so many other treatment products. So this one's working, I like it, and it smells good. The other Hoola Henriksen product I bought is the Glow 2.0 Dark Spot Toner, and this is what I was most excited about just because I've seen a lot of people online talking about it, and then I also read the reviews on the Sephora app, and people just like rave about this and how amazing it is. It also has AHAs in it, which I know personally work really well for my skin. My skin just responds really well. It's like a lot of exfoliating products. So this says it targets dark spots, fine lines and wrinkles, and skin texture with high potency AHAs. So I just use this at night after cleansing with the double cleanser, and I've been just putting some on a cotton pad. Here's what it looks like. I've been putting some on a cotton pad and using it, and honestly, since I started using this, my skin was like looking a lot better. The texture of my skin, I think, has really improved. You guys know I have a lot of these like huge breakouts at the moment, and a lot of them are like dark scars as well, and I think it's too soon to like say anything definitive about it, but so far it seems like it's really working well, and I'm excited about it, and it just feels nice on the skin. And then final skincare product I bought is the Isle of Paradise Self Tanning Drops in Light. So I have been like thinking about these and like hemming and hawing about trying the Isle of Paradise products. I love Jules Von Hepp, who is like the founder. I found out about him and these through like Estee Lalonde like years ago when he was like just starting. Actually, maybe, was that years ago? I feel like this is a fairly new brand. But whenever he first started, I remember them kind of collabing and talking about it. And now it's like such a huge brand, and it's in Sephora. Anyway, I see a lot of like bloggers using this as their face tanner. This just these little drops, and you can put it in your moisturizer in the morning, which is what I did this morning. I just used 2 drops. That's only the second time I've used it. The first time I only did 1 drop, and I didn't really see any difference. But again, I bought this off an influencer recommendation. So I follow Fit by Kai Kai, who I've mentioned on here before. She's another fitness influencer, but also has amazing skin. And she was looking really glowy, and then people were commenting and saying, oh my gosh, your skin's looking so glowy and great lately. What are you doing differently? And she said she's still using her like medical grade skincare, but she added in these tanning drops, and it's really making her complexion glow. So I'm trying this out, and I'm hoping that it gives me a little bit of a glow. I picked light because I am so fair, but since I didn't really see any result with 2 drops, I'm hoping that this is dark enough. Maybe I should have gone for medium, but we'll see. I also use a lot of exfoliating products on my face, so I feel like any kind of tan that I get there will instantly come off, but we're gonna keep trying it out and see what happens. Next up were 2 things that I bought for my trip, like I mentioned. So I picked up another of the Blender Cleanser Solid. This is the Beauty Blender Cleanser Soap. It comes in a little thing like this. It has a little drying rack, and you can kind of keep it in here. I used Dr. Bronner's bar soap every day to clean my beauty blender, but when I'm traveling, I really like having this because it's nice and self-contained. It has a little drying rack for on your sink at the hotel, and it's just like really compact and perfect for travel. So this is how I wash my beauty blender on the go. At home, I never use this. Again, I really prefer the Dr. Bronner's, but I just needed something to wash my like beauty blender when traveling. You can also use it to wash any brushes while you're traveling if like the need arises. But again, just bought this for travel. My one before had run out, so I needed it for my trip. And then I also picked up the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream, which I've talked about before. Everyone loves a good Bum Bum Cream. It just smells amazing. Even with the cap still on, you can just smell the Bum Bum Cream scent. It's amazing. I just like this small size because, again, it's perfect for travel for like, you know, a several day long or week long trip. This is pretty much the perfect size of lotion. I didn't want to bring like a huge bottle of lotion. This is just the perfect size, and it's just always fun to have something like nice smelling and shimmery and beautiful for vacation. I went to a wedding, so I wanted to like make sure that like my arms looked nice and everything in the dress I was wearing, so I used this and it was a great vacation buy. The last thing I bought is a new beauty blender. I'm still using my old one at the minute, which is the Violet Swirl one, which I really like. I just used that for my makeup today. But this color I think is like limited edition, and it's just so beautiful, and it's the Beauty Blender Joy, I believe, and it's bright yellow. I'm just so into yellow this year and I love it. I'm so excited about this. As soon as my Violet one is kind of too gross to keep using, I'll switch over to this one. I always kind of do this when the fun colors come out. If there's one that I really like, I buy it and just stockpile it for whenever my beauty blender runs out, because I know I'm going to be needing it eventually, and I just couldn't pass up the cute color. Alright you guys, that's it for my Sephora haul. I hope you enjoyed seeing everything I bought. This was a little bit of a smaller haul and more of a skincare based haul, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know down below if there's anything that you think I should pick up at Sephora next time. Also in the description box will be everything that I'm wearing on my face, as well as my Amazon storefront affiliate link if you're interested in some of my daily faves. That will be linked down below. Please also subscribe if you haven't already so that you don't miss my next video. I upload 2 days a week on Monday and Thursday, and thank you so much for watching.